Want to temporarily take a break from Facebook or permanently delete your account? Here's how to easily deactivate or delete your Facebook account in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or head over to facebook.com in your browser. Tap on the three-line menu icon to open the main menu. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. At the very top of the Settings page, tap on Meta Account Center or See More in Account Center. Next, tap on Manage Accounts, and then click Manage. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Here, choose whether you want to deactivate account temporarily, which hides your profile while allowing you to keep using Messenger, or delete account permanently, which erases all your posts, photos, and data. Select your option and tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to select a reason or review your data before proceeding. Simply tap Continue again. Finally, enter your account password to verify your identity. Tap Continue and confirm your request by tapping Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Note that if you choose to delete your account, Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period. If you log back in within 30 days, your deletion request will be canceled. If this quick Facebook guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.